The Ford Kuga I from 2008 to 2012 uses a two-step hood release system consisting of an interior lever and a secondary safety latch under the hood. This design ensures the hood remains securely closed during driving. Understanding this process is crucial for performing essential maintenance like checking fluids or accessing the engine. The primary release lever is located inside the car, typically on the left side beneath the dashboard near the driver's knee. It's a cable-operated system. A firm pull on this lever disengages the main hood latch, allowing the hood to pop up slightly. Make sure the vehicle is parked and the engine is off before proceeding. After pulling the interior lever, the hood will pop up a few centimeters. Walk to the front of the vehicle. Locate the secondary safety latch under the center of the hood near the grille. It's usually a small lever or handle that you need to push, pull, or slide to release. Refer to your owner's manual if you have trouble finding it. Once the secondary latch is released, you can lift the hood fully. The hood is supported by a strut. Ensure the hood is securely propped open before working under it to prevent accidental closure. Never rely solely on the latch. Always verify the support strut is correctly positioned. To close the hood, carefully lower it until it's a few inches from the closed position. Then, gently push down on the hood until it latches securely. After closing, always test the hood by pulling upwards on the front edge to confirm that it is properly latched. If it lifts, repeat the closing process. If the interior lever feels stiff or doesn't release the hood, the cable may be stretched or corroded. Lubricating the cable with WD-40 or replacing it can solve this issue. If the secondary latch is stuck, try cleaning it and applying lubricant. Check online Ford forums for specific advice related to your model year. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and potential cuts during hood maintenance. Ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface to prevent the hood from slamming shut unexpectedly. If you're unsure about any part of the process, always consult your owner's manual or seek advice from a qualified mechanic. Perform regular inspection and maintenance of the latch mechanisms to ensure smooth and safe operation over time. While the mechanical process for opening the hood on your Ford Kuga I remains the same, digital resources have evolved to make the task easier and safer. Ford's online manuals and user forums provide interactive tutorials and troubleshooting tips that can guide you through any issues. Modern apps like Ford Pass offer augmented reality features for virtual walkthroughs, helping you visualize the steps directly on your device. These smartphone interfaces connect you with your vehicle, providing real-time assistance and smart tips for maintenance tasks. By utilizing these modern digital tools alongside the traditional mechanical steps, you can ensure safe and effective hood operation on your Ford Kuga I.